Series 12 of Death in Paradise is nearly ready to be released on BBC One. The last season was full of twists and turns, with the lovable detective Florence Cassel, played by Josephine Joubert, leaving the comedy crime drama. It also appears there was a lot of drama while filming the show due to heavy downpours of rain in the Caribbean. Death in Paradise's Christmas special will air on Boxing Day at 9 p.m., so viewers don't have long to wait before their favorite characters are reunited to solve more crimes. The first episode of the 12th series will be broadcast on January 6 at 9 p.m. with Detective Neville Parker, Ralph Little, back as the show's protagonist. The drama is filmed on the fictional island of Sainte Marie, which is actually the tropical Guadeloupe Islands. While the clear blue waters and golden sandy beaches look idyllic, the actors have revealed filming had to be halted due to bad weather conditions. BBC News host breaks down over death of three boys in Solihull. Don Warrington, who plays Commissioner Selwyn Patterson, has addressed challenges with creating the series with the BBC. He shared, "You start from somewhere, and you have to end up somewhere else, and the challenge is to make it as real as you can." In terms of weather, it's very hot in the suit. Also this season we have had a lot of rain. When it rains here, boy does it rain. We have had to stop and wait many times because we can't hear each other as it's so loud. Death in Paradise newcomer Chelsea Edge added, "Without giving anything away, I think the most challenging thing has been getting what we need from a scene over the sounds of nature. As soon as the sun sets, there are these tiny frogs that make the loudest noise. The rain has also been a challenge, it really does pour, similar to being in Manchester. When we film by Neville's shack, we have the waves to contend with too." Ralph Little shares heartbreak on Death in Paradise set. Update: Death in Paradise release date confirmed as Neville Parker returns. Inside Death in Paradise shares exciting update on Series 12. Latest: Ginny Holder, who plays Darlene Curtis, said she needs someone to fan her round the clock to prevent her makeup from melting off her face. "It's especially bad in the police station, but the crew do their best to keep us cool," the actress added. "We were filming on location once and the weather kept changing between sunshine and rain. When the sun is out, it's intense. You're melting straight away, makeup is gone. You get the scene done because you're trying to beat the sweat dripping down your face." However, Ginny said she cannot complain as the island is amazing to work on. "People travel from all over the world to come and see us film and see the sets," Ginny remarked. "That's extraordinary." Death in Paradise Season 12 will premiere in 2023 on BBC One.